Hi everyone, it's Kim and I am here with another collective haul. I'm sure you've seen a couple of videos by now of hauls and you're going to probably think, oh my god, she's a shopaholic. Well, actually these are accumulative to the point where I haven't had a chance to do my videos for these hauls, and I've kind of got this stuff stacked in my craft space and now it's starting to get in the way, so I needed to get these videos done, and I wanted to show everybody what I had come across and some of the deals that I had made and stuff. So this is going to be a small haul from a little bit of Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and a couple things that I found at Joann's. So the first thing I got was this butterfly punch, which I'm going to be using this on a project for someone. I have to do some decorating of some water bottles for a birthday party, so I needed a butterfly, so I grabbed that butterfly punch. And also at Hobby Lobby there were some items that were on clearance, which I snatched up, and I got these beautiful little rose buttons for $1.25. I thought they were really cute. I thought I could use them on a project. And then I got these from Prima, the Shabby Chic Treasures, and they're the frames. I thought they were really pretty, and they were on sale for $2.99. Really cute. And then they had these beads over in the bead section, and these were on sale for $2 a piece. And I thought they were really pretty. I got two different colors. One is like a vintage blue with silver, and the other is like an ivory off-white with silver. I thought they were really pretty. I thought I could use them on a project as a dangle or something. And then I got they had their spare parts were on sale, and I just grabbed some of their bottle caps, which I want to do some altered bottle caps. So I grabbed white and black, and these were, I believe, 50% off, so they were $2.50 a piece. And then I got, also at Hobby Lobby, over in the fabric department, in their clearance section, I got two pieces, which is this trim. This one was 78 cents, and this one was also 78 cents, and it was this really pretty, fluffy black trim that I thought I could use on an upcoming project. Really pretty. And then the reason going to Hobby Lobby is I am in a swap over on the Facebook group Crafters with Artitude, and we are doing the Box of Goodness swap, and we needed a tea box. So I grabbed this really pretty tea box. Oops, sorry for the glare. So I got that. And then since I was out in the city, I stopped at Joann's really quick to see if they had anything that interested me. And the only thing that I found was this dollar roll of lace, which was really pretty. I really like it. Focus. And it's a crocheted lace in white. And I also got, because I found it in the clearance section, was these beautiful fabric flowers. And they, the sheer satin flowers with rhinestone in black. I seem to be doing a lot of projects lately that are black and pink, and I thought these would be really pretty on a project. And then I went over to Hobby Lobby, and they had all their Valentine stuff 75% off. It's either 70 or 75% off, and I came across this burlap with lace, and these were normally $3.99, I think, $3.29, something like that, and I got it for 80 cents. And look how much you get on there. And I got two rolls. I grabbed the last two that I saw that they had, so I got that. And then I got this beautiful roll here that they had, and this was also 80 cents. And I thought this was really pretty too. And there is quite a bit on here as well. See all that? So There's a lot on there. So that was my quick little run to the city and my small little haul for those 3 places. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.